75% of people just completely ignored the foreclosure lawsuits. You are telling people that there is no lawsuit. There's no court involved. And you know what? People believe you. Why? Because, well, you're kind of representing the law, and you most certainly are representing your bank and their shareholders.
So I'm here to advise you of the status of your case.
And you know what else, too? You're representing a federal government, William. Federal government is a stakeholder, not like me and everybody else in this country, in Bank of America. You, sir, are lying. You're telling people that there is no lawsuits and there's no courts. This is some mysterious attorney working on this foreclosure proceeding. And I feel for you.
Well, they never said that. I said if you would like to, you can get in contact with them for any further additional assistance.
William, let me run this by you, all right? You've got that phone number right there, right, of the attorney? 513, correct?
I haven't looked it up, sir, but I'll look it up. Go ahead.
If you've got that number in there, why don't you give them a call and ask them what they do and how the foreclosure proceeding game works?
Yeah, I'm not going to do that while I'm working, but maybe on my spare time I'll go ahead and do that.
Well, what about...
I did learn a whole lot from you there. I do thank you, but...
wait, hold on. Are you serious that you don't know what a whole foreclosure proceeding even is?
Well, I do to a certain extent, but you want to talk about the law, which I have no capability of providing you information. I don't know anything about the law. I'm not an attorney. I don't work for a law firm.
Tom, Eric, Bob, do you hear this? This is how the banks are lying to people.
Again, any work out assistance, any programs we can help you.
They're playing games with borrowers. You are failing to prosecute these thugs. This is the guy right here, William.
You just moved to something that I'm not.
He's just running his... I'm talking to you.
If there's anything I can do for you, I'm going to try to do it.
Well, FTC, Department of the Treasury, United States Attorney General, states' rights, you attorneys general throughout America.
Okay? I could try to, I can literally could try to understand your situation, but you're not giving me the chance. It's just going to continue to, how would you like anybody to help a person?
William, let me ask you a question, buddy.
Mr. Williams, go ahead.
Can we talk three-way with this attorney, Stacey Hart? No, they can't do that. Why? Because
I'm providing an attorney of ours to the same information I'm going to be giving to you. So I'm going to give you some information on the status of your loan.
This is misrepresentation to no end. Status, you actually just called yesterday at 3:58 p.m. and somebody hung up on me. Do you see that there on your notes?
I could take a look into the call log, but I see the last time we got in contact with you was on June 19th, 2009.
June 19th, 2009, yeah, I see that on there.
And I noticed that the same, I'm not going to say if it was the same conversation that you had with the previous rep, but it's turning out to be the same conversation. It does seem to be that I try to speak to a homeowner, try to provide information to satisfy the mortgage. Homeowner was unable to allow me to provide the information, wanted to speak about the delinquency, wanted to speak about foreclosure proceeding. Unable to service call, which... I'm pretty understandable with that.
There you go. Foreclosure proceeding. They want to talk about foreclosure proceeding?
I can't stress that enough.
You said the last person made a note in there that they wanted to talk about foreclosure proceeding?
Yes, and you were to talk about foreclosure proceeding, and then we're trying to provide you the status of your mortgage loan.
If there's already a foreclosure proceeding, then what is the point of calling me?
Because you don't have experience, so the there was more than enough time to see if we could either, maybe sell the property. Maybe if you don't want to keep the property personally, just kind of rent it.
Mr. Holder, here you go, right here.
Do a modification where we could take these guys' payments and tax it.
This is how they're committing a fraud. He's telling you,
work
right?
out some additional, work out future payments for the future of the loan, the life of the loan. And we can't change the life
People believe this stuff.
time of the loan. They'll be set it with a lock the rate for a specific period of time.
Wow.
Maybe 5 years, 10 years.
This is coming directly from Kenneth Lewis.
Well, I'm not trying to call you to tell you that I'm sober.
Wow.
That's the last thing I want to tell you.
William, you don't even know how a foreclosure proceeding works, you just told me.
I don't work for an attorney. I don't work for the attorney. I work for Bank of America.
Right, I know, but I'm like, well, that's kind of dead one anyway now. I am blown away that you would represent like this, you know?
Why would you be blown away, sir? I'm an employee that works for Bank of America. I'm a debt collector, giving you a call to see if we can collect some type of form of payment. If we can't collect some type of form of payment, we're going to work out something for you. If we can't, then the loan goes to foreclosure, and from then on, you need to speak to the attorney. There's nothing that I could do for you. There's nothing that I could do for you, or anyone in the show could do for you. We're not an attorney, sir. I didn't go to law school. I wouldn't have any information to give you as far as,
See, it's plain stupid. State Street, Barclays, Vanguard, FMR LLC, Hero Price, Capital Word Investors, Northern Trust Corporation, Franklin Resources Incorporated, Korea Investment Corporation. Wow.
If you would like, you already have the telephone number.
These guys are not necessarily guilty, but they're just stupid. Investors there.
Information about the foreclosure proceeding. Okay? But I do want to thank you for taking your time out today and taking the call, and I am sorry that I wasn't able to provide you any more information.
(6/23/2009), 6:30 p.m. For the record, I muted the phone quite a few times actually, to sarcastically bring out certain names. Thomas O'Brien is his name. He's a U.S. prosecutor supposedly working on mortgage fraud. He's in the United States Department of Justice in California. Mr. Holder. Eric Holder is United States Attorney General. Bob is Robert Mueller. He's a director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, which I've argued for more than a year now is just trying to cover up the government's mistakes of failing to regulate and obviously enforce the law. He very clearly knows about, in my opinion, the fraud and these lies by these banks. And just, in my opinion, they're trying to keep it quiet to prevent runs on banks. And the last person I mentioned, Kenneth Lewis, he's the CEO of Bank of America. Thank you very much for listening.